Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and we have another case unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. And this time we have the Poetic Revolution full protective case unboxing and first impressions and an installation guide for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now, anybody who's seen Poetic packaging before knows, in my opinion, they have some really nice packaging. You can see really nice company branding with some company logos all over the front. Really nice simplistic company branding on the side. And then a barcode with a scan for the instructional installation video to walk you through exactly how to install the case. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Nothing on the bottom. But as I said, let's unbox it and then I'll walk y'all through the installation process. Now, the really cool thing about this particular Poetic Revolution case is that it offers two things. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you have a full body protective case, but it has a built-in screen protector portion that you can use, or if you don't want a screen protector, maybe you already have one installed on your device, they give you the upper frame without the screen protector, right? And just like right here, they do this because they want to give their customers the right to choose. Okay, so if you need screen protector protection, they got you, and they walk you through how to reprogram your fingerprint sensor with the new screen protector on. Or if you don't want a screen protector, they got you. Okay, or if you have a tempered glass already installed, it will work with this Poetic Revolution case. And spoiler alert, I already tried it before I boxed everything back up for this video, and it does indeed work with the tempered glass screen protector that I have. So I just wanted to explain that out of the way up front. So they do have two screen protector portions, one with a built-in plastic screen protector and one without. Now, you guys and gals will remember I took a look at a similar case a long time ago and they didn't give you that option. But I did walk you guys and gals through how to remove the plastic screen protector if you wanted to just use a nice tempered glass, or if you didn't want to use a screen protector in general. And it looks like Poetic took that into consideration and they were like, we're just going to give them two options. Okay? And then other than that, we have the case portion itself, right? Again, with really nice instructions as well. So they give you the barcode that you can scan, right? And then they give you really nice written instructions, okay? Okay? And then they give you the accessories to clean off your device before installing the screen protector portion here if you choose to. Alright, so you get everything that you need to clean your device thoroughly before you put on the front protector with the built-in screen protector. Really nice there. Okay, and now let's check out the case portion here, and then I'm going to walk everyone through the installation. So let's put this off to the side, and here's the case portion here. So really nice matte honeycomb protective pattern on the inside. Really nice shock absorption pattern. And this is actually mil-spec certified. So you can see it right there. So this has actual mil-spec drop protection. Okay. So with this case on your device, you should be fully protected. Okay. And I gotta say, I'm a big fan of the Poetic series of cases. It's a really nice overall case. It has a really nice, rugged, straightforward, utilitarian design. And it does also have a built-in kickstand as well. So you can stand it up like so, or you can flop it to the side and watch your media like so. So really nice. Again, Poetic seems like they thought of everything to make sure their customers are satisfied. All right, so let me walk you through this installation now. Let's do this. Got my microfiber cleaning cloth here. Now, being as this is a full protective case, you want to clean your device off thoroughly, okay? Because this is not going to be a case that you take off and on regularly. Even though with this style of case, I would recommend that you clean it every 2 weeks, because again, regular case maintenance is going to build up dust, it's going to build up hair and collect particles from going in and out your pockets, in and out your car, just from regular usage. So I do recommend that you clean out the case, or you uninstall and reinstall the case every 2 weeks for this style of rugged case. Now, being as I have a tempered glass screen protector installed already, we're going to use the frame without the screen protector included. Okay, but the same rules apply. The only difference is when you peel off the screen protector portion here, you will have to reprogram your fingerprint scanner to make sure it's working properly. And when you reprogram your fingerprint scanner, because you're going through the plastic screen protector, you want to press a little bit harder here, okay? But I have a tempered glass, so we're not going to use this. So we're going to put this off to the side, and let's get started. So the first thing you do, with your device cleaned off here, you just want to line up the front frame with the frame on your device. So this is the top, this is the bottom. So line it up, snap it on, okay? And it should line up very easily here. You see that? It lines up and it snaps on. So now the front frame is on. And it also covers up your buttons really nicely there, as you can see there. And we got a nice front protection for our device right here. Okay? Then you want to take the back portion and you just want to line it up in the frame. I would say pick a corner. So if you want to start from either side, you can also start from the top and the bottom, and you just want to line it up. Make sure you hold it into place, because it will separate. You see right there? So you want to hold the frame into place. So let's line it back up, put it back on, and you just want to hold it into place and put it in the frame. Okay? Now you may need to apply small pressure to keep it lined up. So you can see I'm applying small pressure, and we're just going to line it up and drop it in. And you see it lines up, and then you just work your way around the corners, making sure to snap everything into place. So you see it snapped into place. I don't know how well my microphone's caught that. And then you just pinch around the sides to get a nice tight seal, making sure that it's nice and flush. Hey, that's the first one that I actually did on camera without having to take it off the screen for a second. So you just make sure all the corners are nice and flush, and then we're good to go. I got some lint on the display right there, not cool. And then now the Poetic Revolution case is fully installed on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now I've been doing this for a while, and I actually did it a couple times before I recorded this unboxing. That's why I actually did it super easy there. But that's pretty much all there is to it. You line it up, it clicks on, you apply that pressure, and then you just squeeze in the sides, squeeze in the bottom, and you're good to go. Alright? And you can see here, we got full protection for the bottom, but we also still have nice protective cutouts for our speaker and our mics. We got a nice protective flap for our charging port. So fully protected and has a nice dust seal there. So you shouldn't really be able to get too much dust in there. And again, we got a nice protection for the display. Nice raised lip. And again, it has a border. So even if you drop it face down, you're definitely not touching the display at all. You see, I just dropped it. The display is still perfectly fine because we have a nice raised lip and a protective plastic border here, right? And then we got fully protected buttons here. And let's check the clickiness. So still super clicky, still super responsive, and I can actually hear the click and feel the tactile feedback. So really good stuff there. And as I said, I already have a screen protector on the device, and it works perfectly with my built-in screen protector. So we're good to go there, right? So first impressions of the Poetic Revolution Series case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. It seems to be top notch. And again, we got full protection everywhere. And we also got that integrated kickstand. Alright, so you just slide it down. It pops into place. You heard it click. And now I could rock it like this. Alright, let me kill my notifications here. I can rock it like this. Watch my media, take my conference calls or what have you. Just like that. Or I could rock it like this. Okay? See? Perfectly fine there. I could rock it like that. Let me get that in the frame for y'all. So, honestly, like I said, I think Poetic really did think of everything in terms of when they were designing this case. And first impressions of the Poetic Revolution Series case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, it seems to be top notch. Now, I'm still going to use it for about a week, and I'm going to come back and give you guys and gals my opinions on it and my full review on it, and let you guys and gals know if it's worth it. But that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this video. Alright? As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay? And also feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up my social medias down below as well. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up this case and this device, as well as any other recommended cases that I covered, all the links to all the recommended cases and the device itself will be linked up down below in the video description. And the video description will contain affiliated links, meaning that I do get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those links, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, that makes it a win-win for everyone. And as always, that also makes the video description down below a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go if your interest is piqued. Also down below will be all of my extended coverage on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and all of my extended coverage on the recommended cases and accessories. So truly, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy A20 5G, on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. Please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. Okay? I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.